Donald Trump's post-presidency has been marred by an unprecedented legal battle, captivating the nation and the world. The saga commenced with a historic conviction on 34 felony counts, marking a watershed moment in American history. This verdict, stemming from hush money payments made during the 2016 election campaign, cast a long shadow over Trump's legacy. Prosecutors successfully argued that these payments, orchestrated to silence allegations of extramarital affairs, constituted a violation of campaign finance laws. The conviction sent shockwaves through the political landscape, underscoring the potential legal vulnerabilities of even the highest office in the land. Trump, however, remained defiant, vehemently denying any wrongdoing and framing the charges as a politically motivated witch hunt. He vowed to fight the conviction and clear his name, setting the stage for a protracted legal battle that promised to test the boundaries of the American justice system. The conviction, however, represented just the tip of the iceberg. A multitude of other legal challenges awaited the former president, ranging from allegations of election interference to accusations of financial impropriety. As Trump geared up for his legal battles, his supporters rallied behind him, echoing his claims of a political vendetta. They viewed the charges as an attempt by his opponents to tarnish his image and prevent a potential return to the political arena. The stage was set for a high-stakes legal drama with the former president at its center. The legal challenges facing Donald Trump extended far beyond the hush money payments. He found himself entangled in a web of federal and state investigations, each posing a significant threat to his freedom and reputation. One of the most consequential cases revolved around allegations of interference in the 2020 presidential election. Prosecutors alleged that Trump, along with his allies, had engaged in a coordinated effort to overturn the election results, culminating in the January 6th Capitol riot. This case struck at the heart of American democracy, raising profound questions about the peaceful transfer of power. Adding to the legal woes, Trump also faced scrutiny over his handling of classified documents after leaving office. The National Archives accused him of improperly removing sensitive government records from the White House, potentially violating the Presidential Records Act. This accusation further fueled concerns about Trump's respect for the rule of law and national security. Alongside these federal investigations, Trump faced a slew of civil lawsuits, many stemming from his business dealings. These lawsuits, filed by private individuals and state attorneys general, alleged a pattern of fraud, deception, and financial misconduct. The sheer volume and gravity of these legal challenges presented an unprecedented situation for a former president, casting a long shadow over his future. Donald Trump's legal troubles did not emerge in a vacuum. They were in many ways a continuation of the political and legal battles that defined his presidency. Trump had the dubious distinction of being the first president in American history to be impeached twice by the House of Representatives. While he was acquitted by the Senate in both instances, the impeachment trials exposed deep partisan divisions and raised serious questions about Trump's conduct while in office. The first impeachment stemmed from allegations that Trump had solicited foreign interference in the 2020 election, while the second centered on his role in the January 6th Capitol riot. These impeachment trials, though ultimately unsuccessful in removing Trump from office, served as a prelude to his post-presidency legal woes. They established a pattern of alleged wrongdoing and set the stage for the legal battles that would dominate his time after leaving the White House. The shadow of impeachment loomed large over Trump as he navigated the complexities of the American legal system. As Donald Trump confronted these legal challenges, he also faced a parallel battle in the court of public opinion. His legal woes became deeply intertwined with his public persona, further polarizing an already divided nation. Trump's supporters remained steadfast in their belief that he was the victim of a political witch hunt. They viewed the legal cases against him as politically motivated attempts to silence their voices and prevent his return to power. These supporters rallied behind Trump, attending his rallies, donating to his legal defense fund, and echoing his claims of innocence on social media. Conversely, Trump's detractors saw the legal cases as long-awaited accountability for years of alleged wrongdoing. They argued that no one, not even a former president, should be above the law. They closely followed the legal proceedings, hoping for convictions that would hold Trump responsible for his actions.